Hi everyone, my name is Paul Adebayo. You are welcome to my episode on 7 important things about Jamb Utme. Why the students have unrealistic or unexpected scores in their examination. These 7 things will help you to know how to adequately prepare and not to be shocked by your Jamb Utme results. Number 1, Jamb Utme requires more than an O-level syllabus. It means Jamb Utme have its own syllabus. Oh, are you just hearing for the first time? Yes, Jamb Utme have its own syllabus, and many candidates are preparing without putting this into consideration. As a matter of fact, I'm not sure many of the candidates writing this particular exam are really preparing with their syllabus, with the syllabus of the examination. So you need to adequately prepare for this examination using the syllabus. And of course, you have 4 subjects to sit for in the examination at a go. Therefore, you need to go through the syllabus to look out for the topics that is most important, that is required for you to cover. It's beyond an O-level examination. Jamb Utme is an A-level examination. It has a syllabus. So sit up today, get the syllabus, get yourself seated, and prepare using the syllabus. I've also discovered that many tutors, even many various schools and tutorial preparing candidates for this particular examination don't even consider using the syllabus at all to prepare this candidate. And of course, no wonder after so much preparation, they are still shocked with their results. Please, tutors, use the syllabus to prepare the candidate. Candidate, please go through the syllabus, go through the past questions, and see that you are preparing adequately well for your examination. To get the syllabus is simple. What you need to do now is just to log on to jamb.gov.ng, click on quick link or candidate, and click on IBASS, IBASS. Of course, there are all the subjects are there. Just pick the 4 subject combination that is important to you, and it will be good to go to prepare for your examination. Or if you are using a smartphone, you can go to your Google Play Store and download IBASS. Or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to Apple Store and download IBASS for you to get the desired required mark to gain admission in 2026. It's very, very important. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.